As India faces a deadly second wave of COVID-19 that has killed more than 250,000 people and badly strained hospitals' ability to house and care for the sick, a number of Silicon Valley venture capital and technology executives have rallied resources to help address the crisis. "This is a huge crisis," says Naveen Chadha, managing director at Mayfield Venture Capital, who says he has lost college friends to the virus. "As venture industry and entrepreneurs, we need to get more than money, we need to give our time." Starting in May, Mayfield's philanthropic offshoot raised around $1 million and delivered 1,000 oxygen concentrators to India, he says. The organization has partnered with local organizations such as Oxygen for India to ensure supplies reach places where the need is greatest. To date, India's health ministry has reported a total of 23 million cases with 262,317 deaths. About 4,000 deaths were reported in the past 24 hours. Hospitals are running short on basic life-saving medical devices such as oxygen cylinders and concentrators. A new local strain, B.1.617, potentially more infectious than the original one and a lax public health response contributed to the surge, health experts say. There were just so many political gatherings, religious gatherings, social gatherings, Anand Ban, a public health and bioethics researcher in Bhopal, told Forbes. Social media is flooded with images of crematoriums overflowing with bodies of COVID-19 patients. Many people didn't even have money to go get the bodies, unfortunately, from the hospitals, or to get them to the cremation ground, says Chadha. Last month, billionaire and venture capitalist Vinod Khosla said on Twitter he would work to fund hospitals in India and solicit others in the tech industry to help. "I will be coordinating grants and sourcing through at Give India at Atul Satya. Please make your requests to them directly and please contribute to their efforts too. The needs are large," Khosla said in April 24 tweet. In addition, the Khosla family made a combined donation of $10 million to the non-profit Give India. Salesforce, a cloud software company co-founded by Mark Benioff, sent a Boeing 787 to India earlier last month with over 2,000 oxygen concentrators and 10,000 pulse oximeters. The company plans to send another plane this month with more oxygen concentrators, says Ryan Ate, its chief business officer. Meanwhile, Twitter and Square CEO Jack Dorsey announced a donation of $15 million to India-based non-governmental organizations. Even with added supplies reaching India from these and other sources, there are concerns about whether they are reaching regions where the need is the highest and whether hospitals have adequate beds for patients in dire need of oxygen. At another venture capital firm, Foundation Capital, general partner Ashu Garg started an initiative called One More Breath to address what he calls the last mile problem.